Project 2020 Model X microwave minivan. Yes. Phew, it's crazy. This thing, it was so much cooler in here until I brought this in. And the funny thing was, this thing was sitting in the shade. It was off. It's not like, this thing's been running. I don't think that electric cars can't produce heat either. Because think about it. If you're driving them, you got the heat from the... Well, that's true. It doesn't actually use the brakes that much. But whatever. From the AC and all that other stuff. But... for whatever reason, it has definitely increased the temperature in here. Can you open these up? Let's see. You know what? Oh, I forgot. Let's see. Okay, it does realize it's there. You know what? This is a different setup than the other garage. Yeah, okay. So you can open it up. I forget. I've had a 2016. That one was a hot one, though. $150,000 minivan. No BS. That's what the sticker was on that one. This one is 94,000. It's got the white interior. It doesn't have those cool buckets in the back. I didn't even realize it doesn't have the third row seat. But it is what it is. So it's basically, for me, hopefully just a quick flip. My wife will, of course, want this. Ooh, it drives like shit. Not really nice, if you ask me. But, the Model 3 is actually a better vehicle. Go figure. It's just better built, and where's that switch? It's just kind of funny to me. Yeah, it rides better. This doesn't, I don't know, this kind of reminds me of a Ford Taurus. The way it rides, an old Ford Taurus. And, my 2016 felt that way, and so does this one. But hey, it's here. What does this have? 33,000 miles on it on a 2020. This is a long range plus, and it has full self-driving. That was like an $8,000 option. It's very dirty. What I'm going to do is just try to, let me open this up so I get some air in there. Cool it off. Not enough. Come on, you could open up more than that. Don't be afraid. There we go. Do it manually. There we go. Yeah, these things are very sensitive or whatever. Oh, look at this. Panels off. Oh, that could just snap back in. A little dirty. I could clean that. It's not a big deal. The way to do it is actually with the brush on here. I'm going to go back and forth. You know what? You'll see a little bit of before and after.